Yes, I finally own these Super Falcons players. Don't finally call up be alert. As a man, if I don't take this, so that they owe them since. Also, as international break day, we expect some kind of bonge friendly games later today on top European football scene. Correct Wednesday morning. Salute as long as you find edition of Sportian on top Niger FM 102.7. My name is Nabode Bruno. Tory segment now will soon after this break. We will come back now. Of Sportian on top Niger FM 102.7 at Sport Vision NG 9 the Twitter handle in case you never begin follow us, and most importantly, once again, subscribe to our YouTube channel Sport Vision NG. More information on top down later, but Papa go enter latest gist from inside other sports story segment. Now with the column Daniel Obuko stand out with all the latest gist.
Yeah, but we start with cricket where the male senior team, the Yellow Greens, don't send correct message to the remaining 6 slots of the International Cricket Council, the ICC Men T20 World Cup qualifier after the Popo Kenya for Paddy match on Monday. The qualifier will go shell for different venues for inside Abu Dhabi, Dubai, for the United Arab Emirates, get Nigeria for the qualifiers after them disqualify Zimbabwe because of government interference for their sport. Nigeria bat first scoring of 152 runs for the loss of 7 wickets to 20 overs. Kenya bowled out of 103 runs for 16 overs, with Nigeria Daniel Ajekun being man of the match with 73 runs off 50 balls and 4 wickets in 20 overs. After the match, President of the Federation, Professor Yaya Okwena-Yan, say this win shows say they are prepared done the on point. So we'll enter tennis now, where former world number 1 Andy Murray don jabo come out from the Shanghai Masters for China after him lose to Fabio Fognini of Italy on Tuesday. The 32-year-old Britico with the ginger to return to the Grand Slam next year for Australia Open lose 7-6, 2-6, 7-6 to Fognini for match will last 3 hours as the two players been yapped themselves well before the match end. For other places, Swiss senior man Roger Federer show himself well as him discharge Albert Ramos Vinola 6-2, 7-6, while Gael Monfils lose 6-2, 7-6 to Hubert Hurkacz of Poland. For the Merima level, Ukrainian third seed Daniela Jaskremska don't move enter the next round of the Tianjin Open for China after she wins 6-2, 6-3 over home girl Zunlin. But American babes Jennifer Bradley and Christina McHale don't jabo come out from the competition.
All right, thank you very much, Daniel. That Natori segment. This fine Wednesday morning, another small break now get us now when we come back. Plenty Tuesday ground to touchlight inside Nigeria Sporty and home base Super Falcons players the jubilee this morning, and I'll find out why after the chicken break. Welcome back. This show is still Sporty and on top Nigeria FM 102.7. Yes, but the time goes today to talk about
about I say we will give fallout of Doha.
Oh, okay.
Development here have plenty.
Well, see, you know, say international break, plenty things they did to touchlight. So I would rather we talk plenty things of top Nigeria sport, Nigeria football. Every see our business no be Weibo football. You understand? Okay, Bodo Nigeria sport and now don't enter. So I know say you get tennis for hand this morning. Most start from Lagos Open. I know say day 2 yesterday. Wait, how they take manage play with all the plenty rain wait for yesterday?
No, we don't manage play. Later the guys stop everything.
Yeah, but the manage start to play.
Some game. Yeah, even like Nigeria number 1 seed didn't show well because I only have the only Nigeria we qualified direct 2 qualifiers. They win the second game yesterday. Now Emmanuel needs to be 6-3, 6-1. But now in the enter, all of them will be enter main draw with Joseph Ime, Emmanuel Doko, Abayomi Phillips, Paul Emmanuel. The interesting one, but I never hear this one before. Mohamed, he entered the main draw, but you know I take enter. They call him lucky loser.
Lucky. Best loser now.
But them, Oche, Emmanuel, Christian, all of them don't carry them body come up. But since the rain stopped many games yesterday, where they're supposed to play from after the main draws, the games go start today by 9:30. But the game we go catch eye. Now first, now Nigeria number 1, Sylvester Emmanuel, they go play Calvin Emery now na French fit seed. Now all this kind of, if you want win competition, the guys they play the best. So now good competition go be for Sylvester Emmanuel for this game. Then he sure say we go get at least 1 Nigerian male player for next round. You know why? Because Joseph he may go play Mohamed for the first round. So anyhow, one of them go win, and we will get 1 player for inside second round. And for the babes, Onilomo go play Patience, top them and Nigeria babes. Blessing go play Anua Egbusi. Then Sarah Adegoke, and she go play foreign babe player Tamara Korovic. This one are from Serbia. So it means say for the babe level 2, minimum 2 go inside second round.
Okay, all the best to
Nigeria delegate.
To Nigeria players. Which time delegate again?
You know what make me call delegate? I see Super Eagles. And a delegate matter out of Super Eagles. I make me call delegate.
Okay, before we enter Super Eagles this morning, more sharply light Super Falcons. Well, this one I'm medicine after death because I know it good to them pay them, but this was not sort out Just like talker, see all these their dollar account they shout about and everything. I just delete artists. But Bolu, let's talk about Falcons. Give us this money.
The conclusion I say they don't pay the Falcons, the home base players, the main cause of this whole Kasala fight with Oparanoza and everything. And the big question now, how come they should not be yesterday they collect the money? It means say the money they just hold the money down. And but the same day when we done the shout since everybody done they come out for the head now. We even say today, it goes soon they see Ruth David out. Say because now she be the
orchestrator.
He give something what cotton down. Say if you maybe you come out young one thing and she don't like her, just forget Super Falcons.
And then FFC done the look.
And then FFC done the look. And so from report I say they waiting one of the DNB talk say this woman not fit dey here, maybe I dey work because she dey scatter all my plans. Come out am or maybe I come out.
But wetin come make the woman get plenty power like that?
I like
try.
I talk say wetin come make
You know, I dey
no,
try.
wetin you call her?
The woman.
That's why.
I know the woman.
That's why.
But wait, wetin dey think for it?
The woman.
The woman. Okay, she dey use woman power.
I mean I say this one pass woman power.
Okay.
Because some gist dey fly say some powers from power to power.
I no talk anything. I don't want here. I don't want
Power
here.
to power.
I don't want here. Bolu, continue.
For conclusion, they don't play their money.
They don't play them.
I be want talk to you. I think that year we talk I say under 23. If they go Olympics, they will go shock. If na Mama go carry them go. Say it may be Salisu. We for talk same thing about Falcons, but fortunately, they know they go.
Okay.
Super Eagles, but they remind me when we confirm say we go play Brazil.
We don't confirm since
I did like a month now.
no actually months. And like last week I'll be 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks
Ah.
ago.
A month.
Nigeria Brazil. It don't reach almost a month.
No,
Even if you never reach 1 month,
you reach 1 month. Like
First
two,
day we
now,
break like this.
now 2 weeks.
Brazil,
Now 2 weeks ago.
I
Now
don't
don't confuse us.
No, it don't pass 2 weeks. So. Like 1 month, but then we just dey apply for visa, our officials and delegates. So the fee no dey there for the match. You go even good, they go save us money.
Official and
Once
delegate.
they show us,
What will be the importance for the game? I don't want play am.
everything is start code, but waiting they show now say all the players, all of them supposed to arrive camp today. So no excuse of saying you come late. You know they come Nigeria before you go, so you no get visa excuse. With the report saying I say General, and I go lead all those players will go arrive today. And I still want to really make sense, but they say Lille manager. In talk say no they follow Victor Osimhen since under 17. Saying that since that time he won't sign out, so say but it's too expensive for under 17-year-old boy. And when he want to tell the president, sign this guy for me, but he still go Germany and they still they monitor him since then. Say now when clear the president, say sign this boy, you tell him where I say for him, but after 2 years he will be one of the best. And Osimhen don't they show himself small, he no disappoint at all. And another story wedding, I never wanted to play for Nigeria. And England be my focus.
Well, now they always put importance on top of these.
Now those way they say we no want her. Instead no want us now backup plan. It was from beginning. Mo will just jump, enter the fallout for Doha. But they if you say as they welcome, it's a broom for Cyprus. See songs, see celebration for person we win third.
If you come Nigeria today for sing for round 2 now.
We sing.
You say you come Nigeria there for you go see Supporters Club, they go dey airport, they go welcome am.
For who?
It's a Brumen now.
We sing for Falcons.
Falcons.
We carry good.
Now they sing for them now.
Which sing?
They sing for them.
We Falcons where they play for Nigeria.
They no sing for the Tigers.
Where's the Supporters Club don't even dey Nigeria? So
They miss their point.
she dey excited say she won at least medal, say she put Nigeria name for medal table and to say the will be almost on she no happy at all even though na correct time she get with 4 but she no happy with everything but the blame game continue. Some athletes dey frustrated, all of them dey para say division dey part of the team wey cost them wey they no do well and say some AFN officials but they register athletes wey no suppose dey 4 by 100 but you know as e dey be all those players go prefer to remain anonymous make dem no go enter inside trouble. All this kind of thing, but they will get settle everything. And I like what the sport minister said don't do. You don't call someone there delay that on a technical director of BFN. Oh yeah, I'll come and start query. Everything we did wrong. I've been listening to even Sunday Divine Odudro interview. You go see pay for the boy eye. Even though in best time, now for 100 meters and get them. And I think that Daniel be the past say wait, how come young boy you don't run everything together? Because of best time from that 100 level.
Now be the para now.
Now fear. Person to say when you see the Jamili, see all of them Gatling say, oh boy. Make I just face where I feel say I could do over. So waiting with the wait for now, but then the reports of the query where they give on that delay. Because if they don't give us, we go remind with sport minister say, sir, how far with the query? We they give them 1 week. If they don't answer, we they go back, go Twitter, go they ask questions. Sir, we need answers.
So wait, come. So you miss meeting yesterday because of one particular press conference where you
And
go.
I don't remember.
So we know, so we for the show no deserve even sabi anything we dey talk about.
Don't mind us.
Okay, since you no go give our people the information, me one no dey there, I go give them.
Don't mind us.
All right, 2019 Copa Lagos. The date not confirmed to November 1st to 3rd, and the 4 teams wey go participation: Brazil, Senegal, England, and host country Nigeria. Put up for ground November 1st to 3rd. Normally now December they don't see
December,
Copa
yeah,
Lagos.
one of the reasons why they move
Okay,
back because of World Cup.
Okay.
So saying a good preparation go be for Nigeria and even Brazil the same as good
Hey.
preparation. And but they one
Hey,
interesting.
but no talk again.
So me Nigeria no fear, but
you no gree remember.
no be am
Say
I
you
want
go
to.
press conference.
Another
yesterday.
thing I want to. This one a match I want to.
Which
With the
match you
heaviest defeat where Brazil go suffer for Copa for beach soccer, and Nigeria give them their father. We will beat them 9-4.
9-4. So you carry shoulder now. I say you don't do better thing. Press conference so you go remember give us information. Okay, that Nigeria Sporty and this morning once again Sport Vision NG 9 the YouTube channel. Subscribe and very soon we'll be jamming now with correct Sport Vision production for that particular level. Time to reach for Igbo football talk. Case that man no there, but Pedro Peter don't stand there as we will touchlight latest gist this morning. Pedro, international break now we did so. But friendly match is scatter across Europe, and the big one will happen later today na Germany versus Argentina. For the Germans, their form lately, it be like
There are two, Germany and Argentina.
Argentina don't they even pick up small. But for Germany, I don't understand what they happen.
Yes, well, but thank you. The match to my first start na 7:45 this evening. And on paper, now ogbonge match will be that for paper. Like it take up Germany and the Argentina, they are two. They struggle, and they more or less like say they do rebuilding both from the last World Cup and the Nations League. You see as it end for Germany, where they not even do well. But why for Argentina? They try small for the Copa America, they carry third. For this game this evening, the big name absentee person no go play na Lionel Messi. No say na wound or anything, na just ban when he collect the sake of the things when he talk. Comebol give him some games ban for the last Copa America, so he no go play. But expect Lautaro Martinez of Inter Milan to lead the attacking lineup. In fact, Lautaro Martinez dey form both for country and for club this season. In fact, the last international break, he score hat-trick for Argentina wey dem take win their last game. So the coach go dey count on am, say make him do well. And I'm sure say him go fancy him chance against the Germany side wey say they see dey struggle. For Joachim Löw, coach of Germany, he need to find way to take harness the potentials wey dey in young squad. As in, he just need to set up that team, make them play well. Imagine player like Timo Werner, no dey too show where he go club, he go score plenty goals. Leipzig go come national team with the struggle. To even link up with some other players now war with the Serge Gnabry and co. But I expect goals today this game this evening. For those who they like group pointing, if he drop like 3 goals, make it show for the game. Yeah. So we expect good game this evening, and a good preparatory ground for them. No say the Euro qualifiers don't start already. So now good testing ground for Joachim Löw, making try outside Europe, making go play South America opposition, making see how the team fit hold up against better teams.
All right, thank you very much, Pedro. So once again, 7:45 this evening, neither match will share between Germany and Argentina, international friendly action. That's Sportian for this Wednesday morning at Sport Vision NG. Naibu Twitter handle. If you never begin, follow us. Until we come again for that fresh edition of the show. Same time on Top Niger FM 102.7, 8 o'clock to 8:15. My name is Nabode Bruno. Make my get better day and a good morning.